Hey guys, how are you? How are you? I'm so glad today that I can be able to post the video again. And for today's content, of course, I will discuss something that is really important when it comes to uploading videos to your YouTube channel. So basically, I have discussed with some members that are complaining about uploading stacks, and then they suddenly not sure how to raise the subscribers count, not sure how to raise the views counts, and they said to the forums that they are within their complications, their frustrations, and so on and so forth. I don't want to discouraging you guys, but honestly, I would like to say that these complaints is often marked as duplicated, and sometimes often feel curious, sometimes feel bad as well, feeling the same way like they did because they can't uploading some videos. They also said to me that they're currently not reaching views what they want. For example, they're targeting the views in some numbers, but the results is not what works, and they're already posting some thumbnails, they're already making some good thumbnails at that time and feel not sure how to spreading their videos. Now today I would like to give you some tips, but not sharing my screens because I have something to do and I have something to prepare about for tomorrow. And for today's topic is would be that simple and not will be a, an in-depth conversations to you guys, but I'm sure that you already know what are the kinds of answers, what are the kinds of tools that you need to know to perform best to at your YouTube channel. Okay, at this time I think that I would like to discuss to uploading some videos that you would like to discover the software, the tools that will be helping you to uploading some videos. Okay, I will research something. Tools to upload video fast in YouTube channel. So I just telling some people how to upload some videos fast without thinking about the internet connections, without thinking about how they should do, what comes next, and so on and so forth. Yeah, for some example, you could using some compressors in your video, like the advanced compression features to that video, so that your video can be in some reduced size file in order for YouTube to enhancing your uploads faster than before. Okay, and then you could also turning on a playback speed that allows you to select a speed anywhere between 0.25 times and 2 times the normal speed. And you could also using some software or tools, because there is some bandwidth. You can use internet speed bandwidth test before you upload some videos. And also there are also the platforms that you could discover how to host your video that can be charged starts from zero to other other pricings. Okay. Oh, I couldn't found any. Okay. So the free start with zero, basic start with 12.99, no size or length limits, 500 gigabyte cloud storage, streaming 4K Ultra HD, and no ads, as well as Pro and Business. The hosting plans could be really helpful for you to send videos to your YouTube channels. They also claim that they are better than Google Drive for video files. But I couldn't say that it this will be my main discussions today about the streamable, but I would suggest it for you, and it is the comparison between the streamable and YouTube. In brief, these tools comes with the ads, monetization, social network, the and then they can also enabling API, editing thumbnails, playlists, embedding videos, streaming videos. I mean, trim the videos, compress videos that comes along with the privacy settings, analytics, high definitions, and 4K resolution. There will be viewer likes, but they couldn't showing fewer likes, chapters, copyright checks, podcasts, team admin, video monetizations, autoplay suggested content, transcripts, search and browse content, commenting and interactions, and live streaming. So these platforms is just for hosting some videos that you might like to upload, instead using the platform that I've been uploading these videos, such as YouTube, because these platforms that I've been discussing in this video couldn't let you to monetize your content. So it is better that you would like to using YouTube because it is free, but there is some ins and outs and some confusions that you might be facing along the way. So that's all guys, my content for today. I hope that it would helping you to upload videos and streamline your process to be able to increase views, increasing subscribers, and let hopefully it will also make you best of luck for becoming a productive content creator. Hopefully we can see you again guys in the next content, and take care. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share my video contents to your friends, colleagues, families, and everyone around you.